Wagi ang so ay ban dong taku pukawat tang kubren sama cai kang lokot kung sa boleh nomen school o karus yang yang katakan cai muksuasin bangun o sa karatang wow lap meron pang bitogot ini lap ko sa bulmak kalangan hindi naman cai kolokol lang na siya no sabi siya no Nabatian cel mo sa wasin rangot, yay, in task force you, sa ang public safety, sa police and Bombay State, na kan kaskulian cel, ang pedian anti-bullying. Kawawa or cikin programat kan sang ren sa police and Bombay State. Ini menuya. O ulian child o school kita yang main karkara main dan iaran manager ap main ap wrong quality o nantian itawan tame ingot tangas kulian kay pero pwede yan so iban proyek man o mo itang pwede public safety and tulang ng sabudlaran program kasampan mereka nagtagyang kapapiyata ramot o tanong sa langit, isang kasilu. Okay? Salamat po mga mga
Mungkin kawas mau naik kok. Aku dah turun dah tuan. Mau iban tu skiskan di ramai ramai. Ngai etai cimi pira, uya polis lieutenant. Na kasinan mo, Ringan David, o ya detective sergeant man, all Jiyo, Maset Lu, Andrigo Amor, o ya sergeant on Pelian fire and emergency, all set Chanchal Mamina Wainimo, Lieutenant Yuan is on corrections and rehabilitation jail. All Pajabalio, police sergeant, police detective. Rangot, Savata Ramai, Channel, Posia, Posia, share Tamakan, Mepit, anti-bullying. Mokit you, the we are you, we are again child, a big up the child, we are up the child, which are working. The child come back about it, a child schoolmate can Pilkin Lugian Kappa. Happy also, Abim Kapache, Aramas, the child Pilang, the young Pilang, Children, certain and bonus theater, also was. Dear child, topic in language, anti-bullying. Then, more. My Pungi child and Lokayan, Pungi, the child, Lokayan one.
Why?
Horus. Su. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Well, bullying is a contributing factor to unwanted behaviors that may result in commission of crimes. It can ruin one's academic performance. Sometimes you might happen to know someone who didn't finish school because of this cruel act. Someone is being pulling him or her, so at the end, he or she quits coming to school. Right? Do you know someone who experienced this? No? Bullying also causes frustration, anxiety, and depression. Okay, today, our objective for today, after this discussion, you will learn, you will get to know what bullying means, and the type of bullying, and what we can do to stop bullying. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. And hopefully, after our discussion, I hope that you will start building positive relationships between each other, your schoolmates, in your communities where you came from. So, let's move on. Bullying, kawawa, ni someone kawawa. But sometimes we hurt each other's feelings by mistake or lash when we're angry. Again, so check into that check say mean things about people that we don't really mean to hurt them, but it's just because we're angry. So check into Moganin, that's not bullying. Bullying is different. Bullying is different. Bullying is when you hurt someone's feeling on purpose. So we have never when questions would be aramas, where can we am para questions would be aramas. The comment we have aramas on feel lower that not part of your group. That so just the way you won't that bullying. Lokayan why you bullying? Lokayan tombe jadi minta sarsut, serapela, chiapsut. Song sokan kawawa ko imiya ang lokayan tombe. Baganga kawawa ta mopitwo. Akan kawawa mopitwo. Mopitwo jadi miya pwede huwag kang karayang, aramas mo siya yung yaya mo. Kung kabache, bend or have low self-esteem because we're always putting them down. They're not like us, or she's not smart as me. Someone other. It is continually humiliation or continue humiliating someone for a reason. We have to keep in mind that bullying comes in different forms. Bullying ginuyaw ni someone monte. O Irain samani someone abel prestadidiro, and they categorize it in 4 different types of bullying. May I refer to your handout? Yet handout you when in the bullying. Yeah, oh, I see. So when I show you after our discussion, your teachers will pass it on to you because we're having problems with the powers. Okay, let's move on. There are 4 types of bullying. Who can tell me one?
Verbal.
Verbal bullying, that's right. Okay, verbal bullying is like, for example, name calling. When you make names and insult someone for that name. It's called verbal bullying. And another one is called physical bullying.